Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be starting off with the CAT 2017 Slot 2 QA paper, and we will be solving around 6 to 7 questions in today's episode. Alright guys, and in case you have not watched the Slot 1 entire paper, okay, you can watch that. I will share the link of the playlist in the description of this video. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the first question. So in a 10-kilometer race, A, B, and C, each running at uniform speed, get the gold, silver, and bronze medals, respectively. That means A gets gold, B gets silver, C gets bronze. Or we can say speed of A is more than speed of B, and speed of B is more than speed of C. We are told that A beats B by 1 kilometer. All right. And B beats C by 1 kilometer. Then by how many meters does A beat C? Now, you need to understand that when we are told that A beats B by 1 kilometer, that means both A and B are starting at the same time, all right? Now, what does A beats B by 1 kilometer mean? That means when A completes the entire race, that means when A travels 10 kilometer, during that period of time, B will travel a distance of 9 kilometer. That means the time will be same for both A and B. Let's say A and B starts at 10 o'clock in the morning. A reaches the finish line at say 12 o'clock in the noon. Okay, that means he takes 2 hours. In the same 2 hours, B will travel 9 kilometers. That means he will be 1 kilometer away from the finish line. All right, guys, this is the concept that we will be using here. Okay, so speed of A is equal to, let's say, S small a. Similarly, B I will represent like this, and speed of C also I will represent like this. Okay guys, and we know that speed of A is greater than speed of B, and speed of B is greater than speed of C. Now distance is same, right? So distance, now time is same, right? So 10 kilometers is equal to speed of A into time taken by A to complete the 10-kilometer distance. In the same amount of time, B will travel 9 kilometers, right? Divide the equations 1 and 2. What do you get? 10 by 9 is equal to speed of A by speed of B, right? Similarly, I can say speed of B by speed of C is equal to 10 by 9, right? If I have to combine the ratio, what do I get? A is 10, B is 9, B is 10, C is 9. Multiply the first ratio by 10 and multiply the second ratio by 9. Okay, so basically I am taking B common, right? So I have to make B same in both the ratios. So how can we make same? By taking the LCM, right? And to make the take the LCM, I have to multiply by certain number, right? LCM is 90, right? This becomes 100, this becomes 81. Now we are given in kilometers. That means in a 100 kilometer race, A will travel 100 kilometers. At the same time, C will travel 81 kilometers. So in 100 kilometers, A beats C by how much kilometer? 100 minus 81 kilometers, which is 19 kilometers. But I need to find in 10-kilometer race. So in 10-kilometer race, A beats C by how much? 19 by 10 kilometers is equal to 1900 meters, right? We need in meters. So the correct answer will be 1900. This is a type in the answer. I hope you have understood the logic and the concept behind it. All right, guys. Let's move on to the second question. Bottle 1 contains a mixture of milk and water in the ratio 7:2. and bottle 2 contains a mixture of milk and water in the ratio 9:4. Always in these types of question, guys, always please look at the order. What is the order given, right? We are given milk is to water in both the relation. In both bottle 1 and bottle 2, the ratio is milk is to water. Okay, so be careful of the order. In what ratio of volumes should the liquids in bottle 1 and 2 be combined to obtain a mixture of milk and water in 3:1 ratio? This is a very, very simple question, guys. If you know the number line method, this can be solved within 30 seconds, I would say. All right, so I will use the same method. Okay, so this is bottle 1, this is bottle 2. All right, so in bottle 1 I have, what is the fraction of milk? The fraction of milk is 7/9, right? 7 parts is milk, 2 parts is water. So what is the total? Total is 9. Similarly, in bottle 2, milk will be 9 and total is 13. All right, guys, I need to find the in what ratio they should be combined, right? So the final milk is to water is 3/4, right? So subtract these two numbers and subtract these two numbers and write the result here and write the result here. So 3/4 minus 9/13. So this is 52. 39 minus 36. So this will be 3/52. So I'll write 3/52 is 2. 7/9 minus 3/4. This is 36. So 4, 28, 9, 27, 1/36. So this is 1/36. So the required ratio, now can I cancel anything? 4 into 13, 4 into 9. So 27 is to 13, right? I am multiplying both the ratio by 13 into 19. So 13, okay. So the correct answer will be option B. A very simple question, guys. A very simple question. Okay. But now I will teach you the concept behind this. Okay. What is the concept? Okay. Say this is the bottle 1. Bottle 1. And I have bottle 2. In bottle 1, let's say I have milk and water. In the ratio 7:2 is given. So let's say I have 7x milk, amount of milk, 2x amount of water. In bottle 2, the milk is 9x, water is 4x, right? Right. So after mixing, I am getting the final ratio is 3:1. That means, let's say BO bottle, right? Bottle 3. In bottle 3, or after mixing, the final milk is 3 times of y. This is not y, x. Okay, guys, I cannot take the same variable here. All right, I am taking this as y. All right, and this is as z. Water will be z, right? 3:1 ratio. Now I am mixing them. That means what? Milk is 7x and 9y is the milk, divided by what is the water? 2x plus 4y, right? And what is the ratio that I am getting? I am getting 3:1. Okay, final. So milk will come from here and here. I am adding the milk, I am adding the water. Okay, and the required ratio is 3:1 given. From here I can say 7x plus 9y is equal to 6x plus 12y, I can say, or x is equal to 3y, right? X equal to 3y. So replace x by 3y in the bottle 1. So what do you get? 3y is 21y. What is this? 2x, so 6y. So what is the total here? Total is 27y. What is the total here? 13y. That means I am mixing 27y units. 27y units of bottle 1 with 13y units of bottle 2. So what is the required ratio? 27y by 13y. Y and y will get cancelled. So this is 27 is to 13. Alright guys, this is the conceptual method. Okay, this is the mathematical conceptual method, and this the one that I use is the shortcut method or the number line method. Okay, this basically comes from the concept of weighted average. Weighted average. Okay, I have explained you both the concepts. Okay, let's move on to the third question. These both the two questions that we have solved till now are very easy. All right guys, let's move on to the third question. Arun drove from home to his hostel at 60 miles per hour. While returning home, he drove halfway along the same route at a speed of 25 miles per hour. Okay, and then took a bypass road which increased his driving distance by 5 miles but allowed him to drive at 50 miles per hour along this bypass road. If his return journey took 30 minutes more than his onward journey, then the total distance traveled by him. Please be careful, the total distance covered by him. So Arun drove from his home to his hostel, right? At 60 miles per hour. Let's say this distance is t. So d is equal to 60 into t. Okay, miles per hour, 60 miles per hour into t. T is in hours. Okay, t is the t is the unit of t I am taking, it is in hours. So d is in miles, right? Okay, then he returns home, and while returning he drove halfway along the same route. That means, let's say this is 2d. I can write this as 2. Halfway will be here, so this will be d and this will be d. That means while returning from here to here, he comes like this till here at a speed of 25 miles per hour. That means t is equal to 25 into, suppose, t naught. Okay, just different variable, and then took a bypass road which increased his driving distance by 5 miles. So let's say he traveled like this. So this is d plus 5. Okay, instead of traveling like this straight line, he took a bypass road. Okay, like this. So I can say d plus 5 is equal to 50, right? 50 miles per hour speed into time. Let's say it is t1. If his return journey took 30 minutes more than his onward journey, that means return journey, what is the time? t0 plus t1. Onward journey is t. This is 30 minutes more. 30 minutes means half an hour. What is t0, guys? t0 can be written as d by 25. What is t1? t1 can be written as t plus 5 by 50. What is t? T is 2d by 60. Right, from here 2d by 60, that means d by 30. This is half. What is the LCM here, guys? I can say the LCM is 150. Let's okay, so 6, so I can say 6d plus 3, so 3d plus 15, so 5, so 5d is equal to half. This and this gone, 75. From here I can say 9, 4d plus 15 equal to 75, or 4d is 60. What is d? D is 15 miles, but answer will not be 15, guys. Okay, so what we are asked to find a total distance. What is the total distance? He is going this distance 2d, again coming back 2d, but he is also traveling extra 5, right? From here to here is d, again from here to here is d plus 5, so 2d plus 5. So my final answer will be 4d plus 5. 4D is 60, 60 plus 5 is 65. So the correct answer is 65 miles. Option C, very easy question till now. Let's move on to the fourth question, guys. Out of the shirts produced in a factory, 15% are defective, while 20% of the rest, okay, are sold in the domestic market. If the remaining 8840 shirts are left for export, then the number of shirts produced in the factory. See, yeah, everything is in thousands, right? If I look at the option, everything is in thousands. So let's say I take the number of shirts to be 1000x. We are told defective is 15%, 15%. So this will be 150x defective. What is the remaining? Remaining is 850x. Now 20% of the rest, that means the remaining, are sold in the domestic market. Sold in domestic market, right? 20%. 20% means 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 into 850. So 170x. So 170x are sold in the domestic market. And so what is the remaining? 150 plus 170 is 320x. So 1000 minus 320 is 680x, right? 680x. These are sold in the export. These are left for the export, right? 150 plus 170 will give me 320 plus 80 will give me 400 plus 600 will give me 1000. So these are left for export. But we are told that for export we have 8840 shirts. This 0 gets cancelled. What is x? X is equal to 884 by 68. I can cancel this with 4, right? 4 1 is 4, 4 into 7, 4 into 2, 2, 1, right? Is it divisible by 17? 17 1 is 17, 51, yes, 3. Is it? Am I making any mistakes, guys? Because if x is 3, it should be 3000, right? 15% are defective. 20% of the rest are sold in the domestic market. So of the rest means of the remaining. So 20% basically means correct only 850x, 1/5 of. Now 1/5 of it will be 170, which is correct only. So 4 1 is 4, 20 is 7. Okay, 4 to 2 is okay. Again 4 and 2. It's correct only. So 17 1 is 17, 13. So x is coming out to be 13. So how many shirts are produced? 1000x. What is x? X is 13. Simple question, guys. Answer will be option B. Pretty simple question. As far as we are concerned till now. Let's move on to the fifth question. The average height of 22 toddlers increases by 2 inches when 2 of them leave the group. Okay, so I have 22 toddlers, right? The sum of their heights divided by the number of toddlers is, let's say, A. When 2 of them leaves the group, let's say 21 and 22 leaves the group, I have 20, and it becomes A plus 20. No, A plus 2. Now what can I do here? What is right? A is both are equal, right? So I can substitute the values, right? So from here, can I say just a moment. From here I can say 20 times of A plus 40, right? I am multiplying this. I'll get the sum of the heights of the first 20 toddlers plus A21 plus A22 is equal to 22A, right? In this equation, in the first equation, I am substituting the value of this sum. I can say A21 plus A22 is equal to 2A minus 40. All right. If the average height of those two toddlers is one third, if the average height of these two toddlers, so average height of these two toddlers will be this one, is one third the average height of the original 22. What was the average of the original 22? This is A. So, and what is this? This is, we have already found out. So divided by 2 will give me A minus 20, right? Is equal to A by 3. So this will become 3A minus 60 is equal to A. Or I can say 4A is equal to 60. That means what is A? A is equal to 15, right? A is equal to 15. So I need to find the average height, then the average height of the remaining 20 toddlers. Average height of the remaining 20 toddlers should be 17, right? Am I making any calculation mistake here, guys? Let me check again. So the average height of 22 toddlers increases by 2 inches when 2 of them leave the group. So this is my original average, A1 plus dot dot till A22 divided by 22 is A. Now 2 of them leaves the group. Let's say A21 and 22 are leaves the group. So the average becomes A plus 2. So this becomes, now I am substituting values. So 20A plus 40, 20A plus 40 plus A21 plus A22 will become 22A, right? So A1, A21 plus A22 is basically 2A minus 40, which is correct. If the average height of these two toddlers, A21 plus A22 divided by 2 is the average height of these two toddlers, is one third the average of the original 22. One third. Yes, I'm not making any mistake as far as I concerned here. Okay, guys. Okay. There is the calculation mistake. This will be 2A. This will be 2A. Right. This will be 2A. So A will be 30. A will be 30. Easy question. Just made the calculation mistake. A equal to 30. So what will be the average at the remaining 20 toddlers? A plus 2. 30 plus 2 is 32. Alright, guys. Pretty easy question. Let's move on to the sixth question today for today. The manufacturer of a tables, okay, sells it to a wholesaler dealer at a profit of 10%. The wholesaler dealer sells the table to a retailer at a profit of 30%. Finally, the retailer sells it to a customer at a profit of 50%. If the customer pays rupees 4290 for the table, then it's manufacturing cost. Okay, so let's see the stakeholders involved in the process. I have the manufacturer, I have the wholesaler, I have the retailer, I have the customer, and I'm cost price. Okay, selling price. The manufacturer table sells it at a profit of 10%. That means, let's say his cost price was 100x. So his selling price will be 110x. If he sells at 110x, so the cost price for the wholesaler will be 110x. The wholesaler sells the table at a profit of 130%. So his selling price will be 130% of 110x, because for him, for the wholesaler, the cost price was 110x, right? So 1 2, okay. So this can be written as 3 4 1, right? 13 13, yes, 143x. That means this is 143x. Now he is selling at 143x to the retailer. So the retailer is buying at 143x, and the retailer sells it at a profit of 50%. 50% profit means 3 by 2, right? 150% of this, so 3 by 2 into 143x, and this will become his selling price, and the customer is paying 4290. That means he is 4290, and this will be 4290, which is basically this one only, right? Is because 50% means 1.5 times, right? So this is divisible by 11 13. Yeah, this is also divisible by 11. So 11 into 13, 11 1 11 to 3 33, right? So 99, okay, 90 30. What is x? X equal to 20. This 3, this is 10. X equal to 20. Manufacturing cost, that means the cost the manufacturer incurred is 100x. What is x? X is 20, 2000. So the correct answer will be option B. Not a difficult one, an easy question. All the 6 questions in my opinion till now are very easy, guys. Let's move on to the 7th question. A tank has an inlet pipe and an outlet pipe. Okay, if the outlet pipe is closed, then the inlet pipe fills the empty tank. Okay, the inlet pipe fills the empty tank in 8 hours. Let's say the efficiency of inlet pipe is equal to x units per hour. That means in 1 hour the pipe will fill x units. Units can be liter, anything. Okay, kiloliter, I don't know, it is not given. If the outlet pipe, so efficiency of outlet pipe, I am taking it as y units per hour. That means per hour the outlet pipe will empty y units of water or whatever the liquid is there. If the outlet pipe is open, so what, first of all, it takes 8 hours, right? The inlet pipe takes 8 hours. So if I multiply the efficiency by time, I will get the volume of the tank, right? 8 hours. In 1 hour the pipe fills x units. That means in 8 hours it will fill 8 into x units, and that is basically the volume of the tank. If the outlet pipe is open, then the inlet pipe fills the empty tank in 10 hours. Okay, now I'm opening both the pipes and it is taking 10 hours. That means in 10 hours the inlet pipe will fill 10x units of 10x units of the tank. But in that same 10 hours, 10y units of the volume of the tank will also get emptied, right? So this is the final volume of the tank. And since this is the same tank, that means what, 8x must be equal to 10x minus 10y, or I can say 2x equal to 10y, or I can say x equal to 5y. If only the outlet pipe is open, then in how many hours the full tank becomes half full? Okay, now the tank is full. That means the volume is 8x. It is full and the inlet pipe is not working. Okay, because we are told if only the outlet pipe is open, that means the outlet pipe is working. Okay, so let's say it is taking t hours to empty the tank. So into t into y, right? The outlet pipe is taking y units per hour and he is taking t, but I need to empty half full, right? So it will be divided by 2. So what is t? T is equal to 4x by y. What is x? X by y, from here x by y equal to 5, so into 5, that means 20 hours. 20 hours. So the correct answer will be option A. Easy to moderate, I would say easy question only, not a difficult one, a very easy question. Okay guys, so that's it for today guys. We will be solving the remaining questions in another video guys. I hope you like the video, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such PYQs. I will be solving PYQs from 2018, 19 till 2025 guys. So if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.